So, welcome to Millionaire Mind Frequency 30 Days Attract Money Rituals. We are going through money lessons under different sections. So, about mindset or money, this is the last session before we shift to the earning money section. Decide what you want money for. As in previous lesson I talked, it is very difficult to manage yourself rather than managing for money. So we all spend what we think will satisfy us, that makes us happy. So this is a part of your defining and setting your goal. There are no right or wrong answers. For example, for making a fortune may be important for someone, for making that status card is important. You might find a problem that someone is spending money on a car, or somebody is spending money on renewing their house or office. It is very personal what makes us happy. We all spend for what we think will satisfy us. So we all choose our own pleasures, and it's not for me to sit in a judgment or anyone else what is wrong or right. So what do you want money for? Why do you want to be wealthy? The answers you give will tell you the whole lot about your hidden money myths and how you really see money. Sometimes it is very simple. We have a dream and we need money to fulfill it. The dream comes first. Gerald Durrell, he wanted a zoo since he was a small boy, and he wrote 36 best-selling books which help him to fund his zoo. So it might not be simple. However, I asked some of my student why she wanted to be a wealthy the other day, and results were quite amazing. She said that she wanted to be better off so that she could give her children more. So that is very, very personalized for everyone. Another participant, he wanted to get wealthy that he could have an adventurous lifestyle. So when pressed further, it seemed that his adventures were running away sort where he could be young, free and single again. So it is all defined with your emotions. When you know what you want a greater wealth for, think also about the alternative ways to meet their needs. I wanted to be wealthy so I could buy a huge house for my family or to feel whatever. What you don't need money for. I like my toys and cars and mobiles, but have found that my investments in such a things has increased my income has gone up. It was not there earlier. When your income goes up, your needs starts increasing. I still like cars and mobiles that needs a plenty of maintenance. My motivation is not to able to spend loads on new things. I don't need more money to buy a new costly clothes. Do you really need as much as you think? If so, fine. You just need to be sure and clear about it. So what's your excuse? What do you want your money for? Set down your own agenda, keep it to yourself, and whether you write down, I do recommend that write it down. Don't be confused. Be clear in what you want. Why do you want? Take time to decide. But once you start, don't step back. You may need certain things for your happiness, material things you want to experience, you want to learn, you want to do charity work. You want that certain things, maybe the car, mobile, house, but behind that there is some feeling associated with maybe the happiness, maybe the recognition, significance, maybe the power, status, whatever you feel. So decide what you want and why do you want for what you want. So stay tuned for the next session now.